Hey guys, so let me take this out. Just got back from the stores. Literally haven't even changed outside of my jacket, and I just wanted to show you guys quickly. But as I was saying, Lola's birthday dinner is tomorrow, so we're only gonna give her like a couple of gifts, or maybe one gift tomorrow. Me and her dad. I think I showed you guys him in clips before this video. It'll be in this vlog, but her dad is here visiting for Thanksgiving and her birthday. So she's a daddy's girl, honey. So I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I picked up. Sorry if you hear the bag crinkling. I'm trying to show you guys some stuff. I am filming this clip on Black Friday. And yeah. So we went to two different Targets because one Target did not have another one of the Fire Sticks that we were trying to get. So the first one we picked up was the Fire TV stick in the 4K. And because this move, I don't know where mine went. Like, I seriously don't know where they are. And then just the regular. And for her gift to go with her big gift, if you guys know what I mean. Let me show you guys. This is her big gift, and this is gonna go with it, if you catch my drift. So this is a gift. Hot. Okay, so I'll just turn the camera around, I think. Okay, so this is one of her gifts. As if she don't need any more. As if she needs any more hoodies. But she doesn't have like the basic colors. I mean, she has girly colors. But she don't have a gray one. And she don't have a black one. So her dad picked this out. This actually came from the boys section. But who cares? From Marshall's. I'm doing this on my bed. And then I was going to get her a new robe, and I seen them on Amazon. They were like 30 bucks, and I was still gonna get it for her, but I had her pick. It was like 5 robes, and she picked this one out today. I mean, for half the price, yes, any day. And I did get her a size large because the 10 the sleeves are a little short, and I was just like, why not get an oversized robe so she can grow into it. Her other robe she's had for a couple years as well. And I really went looking for her an outfit for her birthday as if she didn't need any, as if she needed any more clothes. I picked this up to go in their bathroom, you know, on the other side of the door. This was only $4, so she has like 5 or 6 hooks on hers. And then I just got this for the other side of the door. And my baby has grown out a majority of her long sleeve shirts. My baby is a true 8 currently in shirts. But most shirts come in a 10. I'm at 10. Most shirts come in a 7/8. So I ended up getting her this 10/12. And I mean, it was only $3.99. And it just says, believe in kindness. And because her party is poppets, and I have her party in pastel rainbow, I thought this cardigan would be so cute with some boots and some jeans tomorrow for her birthday dinner. And I just picked this up in a 10/12, so she'll have plenty of room and to grow. And this was $13.99. And this is for Christmas, but you know, her dad picked it up now. It is the black version and the girl version. And look at this, honey. It's sequins with this. So that's what we picked up tonight or today for Black Friday. I'm ready to relax, take my clothes off, put my jammies on, and chill. So I'll see you guys in another clip. Good morning. So it is Saturday. The day of Lola'S birthday dinner, and it is currently 9:24. Show you guys. And I'm contemplating, her and her dad is still asleep in her room. Clearly, I need to make up my bed. But that's the first thing that I'll do outside of me putting on something. We are trying to be, well, my goal is to be out of the house by 11. And like I said, it's 9:24. I'm about to work for a little bit. I got a friend visiting, trying to visit. Shame on you. But anyways, they're sleeping, and I'm trying to set up my TV, and I need to hop on and work for a little bit before we go. So I just jumped up and got ready. And get to the point, Jazz. I just wanted to pop in because I want to go to a new Dollar Tree that I've seen yesterday while we were doing our errands. And what did I say? Dollar Tree. Oh, Five and Below. And there's a Goodwill over there. I want to go there and see what they have. I love thrifting, so I just want to make my home feel like a home. And I'm contemplating if I want to. I don't want to make the decision by myself because it was a team effort between me and her dad. We got her a PS4 a while ago, and the timing wasn't right. Things happened, and I decided to wait until we moved to give it to her. And it's gonna be like a birthday / house warming gift to her, but it's the PS4, and I don't know if I just want to like wake her dad up and set it up. I didn't ask him. Pretty sure he won't care. Or just set the box out, so when she wake up she'll be ecstatic. I don't know yet, but let me log in real quick, work for a little bit, make me a cup of coffee. This thing, it just came. Like, it was not there yesterday. Why? So, anywho, my TV is updating, and I'm about to work for a little bit. So, I just made us some coffee. Even though...
Jazzy World's Cafe.
You said what?
Jazzy World's Cafe.
Oh, he said Jazzy's World Cafe. So, I call myself a little barista. But, so we're waiting. I want to buy some, I need to literally like make a list of things that I want. Like, I don't know where my stuff went. Like, I thought I did a good job at labeling stuff, but I need table, what are they? Placemats, y'all. I ain't had enough coffee. But placemats for the table. Right now I have like my old perfume stand. Sit y'all right here. I have my, I gotta build you up because you're a little low. Don't fall. I got you on his speaker and 2 other boxes. This is everything that I have to put away. It's definitely miscellaneous. Let me see. Get y'all to get it in. When you stay somewhere for a while, and literally the 2 houses, the 2 last houses that I stayed in, they were identical, just flipped. So the space was immaculate. I had a small, well, it probably, you think it's like the same size as what I have now?
No.
Smaller?
This is.
So this is smaller than what I had.
I believe so.
Right. So I stayed in a 2-bedroom condo townhouse. It was a single floor, whatever y'all want to call it. And they was connected. So I don't know what people call those. Townhouses. Okay, so I stayed in a townhouse and it was 2 bedrooms, as you guys knew. And it was bigger than the 3-bedroom that I have now. So just imagine, I didn't have enough space there. But I had a lot of storage. I felt like I didn't have a lot of space to do things, but I didn't have this problem, which is not having enough storage. Like, this place don't have a coat closet. The other one, because it was a townhouse, I had an outdoor storage. I had a privacy fenced backyard. I had my own driveway. I moved to apartments, which I've never stayed in an apartment by myself with kids. As you guys know, I am closer to my oldest, meaning distance wise, and I just wanted to make sure that he had a space to come to. Hey, Shank. Don't shake the table. You say hi. What is today?
My birthday dinner.
Your birthday dinner.
I thought that was tomorrow.
No.
Oh snap! I gotta text everybody back.
You told everybody tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
Oh dear.
Hold on. I'm gonna start texting them. Okay?
Daddy.
Can you get my charger from over there?
Are you freaking telling me about your place?
Can you not say freaking?
That's why, Daddy.
What?
You was looking at the games.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah. We was at Walmart the other day. And he was like, will you buy me a game? And I was like, do you have a place?
Daddy does want a game.
No, he's talking about this. Like a game like this.
I know. He wants a game to play on your PlayStation.
How many controllers are coming?
We have to buy more controllers. But it's okay for now. So, Lola's playing her new game. She's creating a world. I don't know. But, yeah. So, I'm going to finish my cup of coffee. And Turn some light on. Finished my cup of coffee, and this is my dessert plate. So I have some pound cake, sweet potato pie, chocolate cake, pecan pie. So for breakfast, for breakfast, I'm going to finish my coffee, which y'all, I didn't do a big dent at all. And pick a dessert, which I'm going to eat my pound cake. And all of this is from my granny's house. Shink, wanna try granny pound cake? Come here.
I'll try this thing.
I'm good. Now you're gonna try the chocolate cake. Was that good? She's holding me, y'all. Like, it must be that good. Really, Lola? You're so extra.
What? It had chocolate on it.
Okay. So y'all saw her reaction. Like I said, I'm already dressed. Lola has to get dressed. Her dad has to get dressed. I just got to put on shoes and take this thing off my head. But other than that, we will see you guys later. Like I said, I want to stop at Dollar Tree, Five Below, and Goodwill. And then we're coming back. Yeah, we're going to come back and relax before.
Food station. And armor. And potions. And...
So your brother's going to love playing that with you, huh? And he has controllers, so everybody just bring their own.
Yeah.
So guess what? When everybody come over on Tuesday, just tell them to bring another controller.
I'm gonna tell them not to bring this guy.
Wireless?
No. I don't know wireless. I'm talking about this color. This one.
We're gonna get you a skin for yours.
Oh, yeah.
Or I'll order you a purple one. Everything that I was gonna order was not gonna be here in time, so we just didn't order it. But anyways,
Oh my God, they have new boats. Mommy, they have new boats.
I guess we can stop by GameStop and you can pick out another game if you want.
Yes.
You want to take her to GameStop so now she can pick out her own game? Because I had a whole bunch of games in my cart. I had Cooking Mama. There was this Princess Dragon game. Y'all look at her.
This is the best birthday that hasn't even started. Well, it has started, hasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Your birthday is not till Tuesday, but your birthday festivities have started today.
I know. That's what I'm talking about.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. What is it? Oh.
Your daddy said you gotta go get dressed.
No.
That one has more features than the one you was playing?
Yes, it has more tabs and it has all those sections. But the old one, you have to find that stuff. Oh my goodness.
Whoa. Whoa. So that just lets you know that she loved the birthday gift number 1. And that's the biggest gift she's getting from us because everything else is clothes, which, remember this, I'm saying this on this vlog, I am not buying Lola no more clothes because she has a ton of clothes, a ton of shoes, and she... You're welcome, baby. And she wears
Thank
this...
you again. You're taking my favorite stuff.
She wears the same stuff repeatedly. Like, she's 9, and even before she was 9, she's always had like 20 pair of shoes. I picked all her stuff out, so she wore mostly everything. Now she wears the same 3 shoes. No other shoes get no love. And right now in my Christmas stash, she already has 3 more pair of shoes. And I'm just like, why Jazz? Don't buy her nothing else. We was in the store yesterday and she just really didn't like any of that stuff. So I'm gonna stop buying the stuff. I'm gonna learn.
You're going to learn to keep buying me stuff.
No, I'm gonna learn to stop buying you stuff.